Yeah, so yesterday I discovered my headlight, one of the headlights wasn't working, so I jumped on Amazon and ordered some new headlights, but I wanted to switch over to LED. Hopefully the LED works. So here's the package from Amazon I just got. Came nice and early today. That's why I love Amazon, because everything comes the next day. I tried to look on the website for AutoZone, because I could have just drove over yesterday and pick them up, but they didn't have them, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try these Amazon ones out. They're 40 bucks. So first, what I wanna do is make sure the plug fits. If the plug don't fit, ain't no sense in moving forward. But it looks like it fits. But we gotta make sure it comes on. See if I could safely secure that. Come on, man. So let's see. Nothing. Don't think it came on. Oh, it did. Hell yeah, that's what's up. So that's the original, and this is the replacement. So the next step is to see if it fits in here, but whoa, shit. Oh, it's a fan back there. I'm like, what the hell is that? Okay, it's a fan to keep it cool. I got windows in this garage, so I'm gonna try to turn off the lights and see if it looks better, but there's still a lot of light coming in, but it looks good. Turn that off, unplug it. Looks like it fits. I think I dropped one of the screws yesterday when I took the headlight apart. Phillips, damn, it's hot in here. Need some air. All right, let's see. What's the easiest way I can make it stay down? I'm trying to figure out. I forgot how this bracket went. Like that. Oh, that's that. No, we don't want to take that off. I might have to take the other headlight out, because I don't remember how this bracket went. So yeah, let me take this one off. Today I'm only replacing the outer headlights. I wanted to test this brand out first before I bought all three, or I'm sorry, the whole package, all four. I spent a little over $40 for two. 40 bucks plus tax. That's not too bad. Let's see, bigger screwdriver. I don't want to take them all out. See, that ain't gonna